Good morning, students. In the previous class, I said about the definitions of union, intersection, difference, complement of a set, subset, proper set. Like the definitions, I said that once. Using that one, first one we are doing that sum this here today. It is given that one in exercise 6C. 6B is not there. That the definitions only we have to learn. That enough. 6C is A is given 2, 4, 6, 8. B is given 6, 8, 10, 12. And C is given 7, 8, 9, 10. Find. What we have to find here? We have to find A union B. What is called A union B? Union. Union means writing of all the elements is called U. U means all. U means all. Writing of all the elements is called union. So for that what I have to write means A union B. This is called A U B. Don't read it as A U B. A union B. Now the elements of A I am writing that once. What is that A? In the given sum, A is 2, 4, 6, 8. And union you are doing that one, keep that U. B is, what is the elements given in the B? 6, 8, 10 and 12. So now we have to take that one. Union means writing of all. A union B means writing of all. First write the elements of the first set. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. First one is completed. U means all we are writing. So here 6. B is here 6. Already there. 8 is there. The next number is 10. And the next number is 12. So this is the answer for A union B. First of all we have to write that one. 2, 4, 6, 8 up to here. And now going to the second set. The set is having 6, 8, 10, 12. First already 6 is there. 8 already there. So only we have to write that one 10 and 12. This is about A union B. A union B. Writing of all the elements by combining two sets is called union. So here is another sum C1s. The next sum is given A union C. A union C. So solution I am writing that one. First one is A. The elements of A are 2, 4, 6, 8. What we are doing? Union. And C elements are 7, 8, 9, 10. Now writing of that one union means A union C. We are writing that one A union C. What is A union C means here? First of all write that once. The elements of A 2, 4, 6, 8. I wrote that one 2, 4, 6, 8. Union means writing of the second set also. So 7, 9, 10. 8 already there here. So no need to write. Now writing in order. Just writing in order 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With this also sum is completed. With this also you can stop, but just in order we have to write it once. That A union C answer is 2, 4, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is called union. Writing of two number sets elements is called union. Writing of all the elements. 2 I wrote, 4 I wrote, 6 I wrote, 8 I wrote, 7 I wrote, 8 I wrote, 9 I wrote, 10 I wrote. Each and everything we have to write that is called union. Writing of all the elements is called union. So here is our next sum C1s. So the next sum is B intersection C. What is the meaning of this symbol is called intersection. The meaning of intersection is taking out of common ones. Taking out of common ones. So write this one. B elements, don't write that A now. B 6, 8, 10, 12, intersection. C elements are 7, 8, 9, 10. So writing of these two, B intersection C. Union means writing of all, but we should not write that all. The common ones only we have to write. Which are common here? 6 is present here? No. 8. 8 is in the both sets. Intersection means writing of both common ones. 8 is common and 10 is common. 12 is not there. So in this ones which are common same means 8 and 10. 8 and 10 are same ones. So write that one 8 and 10 are the answer for this sum. B intersection C is 10. 8 comma 10. See the next sum. Okay, here is the next sum. A is such that x is multiples of 2 less than 15. That means x is less than 15. B is x is the multiples of 3 below 20. C is x as a prime number below 20. Write A, B, C standard form. Write A, B, C in roster form and find that one B union C and A intersection C. So first of all, here what is given for us? C1s. Write in roster form. Write in roster form and B intersection C, A union B. So here I am writing the first number set. First one is solution. See here, A means 2 table. Up to where we had written 2 table C1s below 15. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 we should not write that one. So comma 14, 12. B is equal to x such that x is multiples of 3 below 20. Below 20 3 table. 3 that means not up to 20s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Next one is 21, so no need to write. C is equal to prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers we are having that ones. So writing of these all the prime numbers here in the, this is called roster form for first answer. This is the answer for first answer. A. They said to write in roster form. Roster form means commas. Whether they will give the question or not, compulsory we have to change that to roster form and do the sum. Because without roster form we cannot do that any sum. We have to do that by using roster form only. So see the sums. A is below 2 table up to 14s, 3 table up to 20, and next one is prime numbers up to 20. Here B union C, second Roman sums. In the second Roman, totally they given that one F sums. From that I took that one third sum, means that is C. B union C. In the sum only we did that one. What is the B? They said that one B, take that 3 table. Up to which one? Below 20s. Take that 3 table below 20. I am writing the 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, means more. So up to 20s only we have to take. So stop at once. C is prime numbers up to 20. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers we are having in the prime numbers below 20. Now what they said to do? These two union, B union C, that means both we have to combine. So combine means the writing of all. I am writing the first B set of elements. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, comma. I am going to write that one C set. Because we are writing C union. Union means writing of that all. Writing of all the elements. So what we have to write the elements? B elements we have to write and C elements we have to write. The elements of C are these ones. These are we have to write. So 2. Next number is 3. Already we written. No need to write. 5. Next one is 7. Did not write. 7. 11. 13. 17. 19. So these are the numbers we are having. In these 2, we wrote that one only 3. Now this is the answer for this one. Writing an element in ascending order at descending order like that we wish. So starting number is 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19. Like this you have to write that answer. Or you can stop with this one answer also enough. But if writing in the arrangement in the form of these numbers. So here, whether you wrote that one full or not, we have to check once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Out of 14, only one common number is 3. That means we have to get that one 13 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One number is missing that one. Which number is missing that one? Check once. So 9 after 9 is there, 12 is missing here. So write the 12 here. 11, 12. So like this you have to count, and which one is missing that ones we have to write here. What is missing here we have to write. Counting that one and write. So see this answer. Okay, here is our sum. A intersection B. What is called intersection means writing of common elements. What are the elements of A? A elements are two table. Below 20, that means not up to 20 numbers. Below 20 value is 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 2 table I wrote that once. B is 3 table below 20. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 will not come that one, so leave that one. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21. We should not write 21 because of that ones. Only we have to write below 20. So writing of these two. What they said to do that one means intersection. Intersection means common one. Which is common here? 6, 6. Circle that one common ones. 8 is not there, 10 is not there, 12, 12. Which are common here? A intersection B. A intersection B. We are writing that one A intersection B. The A intersection B means the common ones. Which are common here? Circled ones are 6, 12, 18. 6, 12, 18 is the answer for this sum. Which are common in these two? We have to write that is called common ones in these two sums is called here intersection. Intersection means writing of the common one is called intersection. Here is our next sum. So that the union and intersection is completed that one with that ones. Here we are doing that one difference. That is called minus. Difference means how to do that ones. First of all, learn the definition of difference. What is the difference meaning? Difference means writing of that remains the first one. Difference means remains in first one. Remains in first one. Difference means remains in first one. So the elements of A write it first. What are the elements of A? Alphabets are given that one. B comma, D comma, E comma, F. Minus B elements are C comma, D comma, G comma, H. Difference means subtraction. Which are common here? B and D are common. Only difference means remains in first set. Keep in mind, difference means remains in first set. What is that remains in first set? The first set is having B, E, F. Don't write the second set. Only we want the first set. That is called difference. Only writing of taking of first set is called difference. Taking of first set is called difference. Remains in the first set. Remains means remaining ones. The remaining one in the first set are B, E, F. That is the answer for that one. And the next sum is here C ones. Okay, here is the sum C minus A. First of all, write the elements of C. The elements of C are E, F, G, H. Here it is given that one C elements are E, F, G, H. I wrote that one E, F, G, H here. Minus, we are doing minus. A is B, B, E, F. So which are common here? Strike off. Subtraction means E, strike off. E, E, F, F. Anything is there? No. What is called difference? Difference means remains in first set. What is remains in first set? First set, what are remaining? In the first set, total 4 are there. Out of 4, how many are remain? 2. How many are remain? 2. What are the 2? G comma H. So our answer is G comma H. Here in the second set, how many will be there? No need to take. We have to take that only the first person. We will not consider about the second one or third one. Like that, here also difference means we have to take the only first one. The first one is G comma H. The first one is G comma H. Remains in first set is called difference. Remains in first set is called difference. Here is our next sum and the last sum for today class. Okay, here is the sum. That is B minus C union C minus B. Here two things are there. Bracket ones. So brackets are given means according to Bottomless rule. Anywhere in any chapter in the math means we have to apply the Bottomless rule. According to Bottomless rule, we have to do that one first to bracket one. What is in the bracket? We are having two brackets. In that first one is B minus C, second one is C minus B. So we have to do that one first. What is called first one means B minus C. I am taking that one B minus C. What is B? C D G H. C D G H minus E F G H. E F G H. E F G H. So here is the given ones. We have to do that one subtraction. So C is not there, D is not there, G is there, strike off G, H is there, strike off H. Now that answer is C comma D. What is this answer? B minus C. Answer is C comma D. What is called minus? Remains in the first set is called minus. Subtraction. Remains in the first set is called subtraction. So I wrote that one subtraction. Next one is second bracket I am taking C minus B. The second bracket is C minus B. What are the elements of C? Write first. E F G H. E F G H minus C D G H. What are the strike off? F is not there, G is not there, G is there, G is there, H is there, H is there. Strike off. Only the remains in the first set. C minus B is equal to E comma F. Put the box for that ones. This is 2, this is 1. This is 2, this is 1. So writing of that one, first one and second one. Writing of first one and second one. So see here. So here we are doing that ones. What they told to do that means first bracket one is completed, second bracket one is completed. We have to do the two brackets minus. That means here we have to do 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. The 1 minus 2 I am doing now. See here. What is 1? The 1 is having C D minus 2 is having E comma F. E comma F. C D. Here only you have to keep in mind C ones. Any cancellation? No. Here it is common one. G is there, H is there. So we cancel here. Here also G is there, cancel, H is there, cancelled. Here C is there, no cancellation. D is there, no cancellation. So if no cancellation also, we have to write only the first set. The first set is C comma D. The answer for the sum is C comma D. If these two are cancelled, what is the answer means? Empty set. We have to write it as 0. Strike off. 0 is not there. We should not. Actually, answer is 0, but we should not write 0. We will indicate that once. This is about that today's class. See that once. First of all, this bracket we have to write. These two we have to subtract. While doing subtraction, remains in the first set is called subtraction. So C comma D is the answer. I wrote here this one. This represents in null set. That means here C, D is cancelled means we have to write that on answer. So this is about that today's class. See here.